guys, so today is our first day in Meteora. We woke up quite early and today we have horse riding in the morning, and then we're going to explore Meteora mountains on horses, and then we're going to continue hiking. But so far we are on the farm and there's so many horses here. And the funny thing, this morning just didn't start well because we woke up later than usual, and then I washed my hair and I was all ready to become pretty for our horse riding, and then the light went off, and we thought at first that the light went off just in our house, so we tried to fix it and we couldn't. And then we found out that the electricity went off in the entire city. So now I'm extremely unhappy with how I look, but I think it doesn't matter as long as we are having fun. Grass, did you see? He fell on the ground and he was rolling. We've been riding for about an hour, and now we arrived on the top of this hill. You can see the monastery on the background, and it's so beautiful. Like the colors, the blue, the green, the orange, the yellow, and the horses are so nice. It's an amazing experience for sure. Are they playing or fighting? Oh boy. Hi boys or girls. Hello. Wow, it was just so good. We went for 2 hours and we took on a whole tour next to the mountains with the monasteries, and the horses are so good. They're well behaved, and the people, they really know what they're doing. And we did a bit of galloping and then just slow riding through the forest. It was so good. I haven't been in a saddle for 20 years. I did a course of horse riding when I was a kid, and I loved it, but since then I haven't really been in touch with horses, and it was so good to just, you know, reconnect with the horses but also disconnect from everything else. This is such a good place. Wow. Now we are going to go have lunch because we haven't had any breakfast or lunch or coffee, anything before coming here because we were late. So yeah, now we're gonna go grab a lunch, and then we're going to for a hike late in the afternoon to see the sunset and just to visit the monasteries and explore more the area. Hello. Oh, so small. Oh, he's doing purr. Finally the lunch time. So we ordered some cheese with bread, and then we're going to eat I think Greek salad, and as well something else, I think grilled fish or something like that. Look, he smells salmon. So we came just to this viewpoint, I guess, to see the sunset a few hours before the sunset, to see the view, and you can see the view behind me. It's amazing, but we haven't yet arrived to the main point. We are stopped for something very important, and that very important thing is here. But like, there's so many cats here in Greece. It's amazing. I think at the restaurant we had almost 6 of them, and then there is this beauty here. It's insane. It's so beautiful, and she's so sweet, so nice, so clean as well. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, but the view is amazing, so we're gonna explore the area, go for a little hike if we can, and then we're going to the second viewpoint to see if the view is there. It's better. Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Go. No, I need to film myself walking. Always problematic. You never want to be associated with me. So we are actually checking out of the hotel we were staying, and I wanted to show you quickly the place we stayed in. It's very lovely, maybe not for the winter time, but for the summer it's definitely amazing. You have this little terrace where you can rest. You have the mountain views, but not a lot, just a bit. And then it's like just a room, a bedroom kind of, the hallway, and a little kitchen down here, and the bathroom. So very small but very lovely. So now I'm going like a horse, carrying all my stuff in one time, and we are going to go out. The weather is not amazing today, but anyway, we have what we have. We're going to go out, have a small breakfast, and then we planning to go for a little hike and visit the monastery, and then we need to go back to Athens later in the afternoon. But so far, let me just close this thing. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. This place is so beautiful, especially now in this season when you have all types of colors, and green and yellow and orange. And we are now on a hike. We are going up to one of the monasteries. I found one of these hiking trails on Google, and then we just decided to follow it because honestly I didn't have much time to research. But I would say it's quite an easy trail. We are only somewhere in the beginning of it. It starts in the village of Kastraki, and then it takes you all the way up to one of the monasteries, And the trail is so beautiful. If you can see it behind me, it's so beautiful.
That's very far.
No.
What is this magical place? I should congratulate them for choosing this place to live.
We are now visiting the monastery of Holy Trinity, and it's quite empty at this time of the day, at this time of the year, and it's very beautiful. It's one of those monasteries that was in the film of James Bond. If you watched, I think it was the last movie. It's gorgeous. It's definitely beautiful. There is one visitor in this visitor, I don't know, a monk or monkess. Look at it. Look at it. Hello. Are you from here? Can I take your interview? What do you think about this place? Tell me. How many people you meet on your way? No? No comments? Okay. We finished the hike and now we are going down. It was actually very fast. I don't know if we were too hungry or it just was easier to go down, but now we're going to have lunch in one of the most beautiful restaurants here. We've never been there yet, but we were recommended by someone we know, and I also saw a lot of reviews on Google, so I really want to check it out. It's supposed to have an amazing view on the valley and on the rocks that you can see behind me. How is it even standing there? So as I was editing my video from Meteora, I kind of realized that I don't really have the ending from Meteora, so I'm recording this video already while being back on Lisbon, being back home. And all I want to say is that Meteora was probably one of the best trips I've done this year. It was amazing. The nature was stunning, food was amazing, people are so lovely, and there's so many cats. And I think it's one of those places that should be more popular, actually less popular. That's the beauty of it. And I think there is so much beauty in Greece beyond its beautiful islands. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. And if you have any questions or you want any recommendations from me on the region, just let me know in the comments. And I will see you already in my next vlog from Athens. See you.